Have you met Iris? Let's go.
Iris is a professional photo booth located in the University Career Center. No appointment is needed in order to get your professional photos taken. You can stop by whenever. The entire process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep in mind that the background of your photo will be light gray, which may influence what colors you'd like to wear. Later on, if you decide you want to retake your photo, feel free to come back and take it again. Keep watching to learn more about the process of taking your professional photos with Iris. Step 1. Use the touchscreen on your phone by scanning the QR code to select Touchscreen Start. Then enter your email of choice. View tutorial for photo process, then sit on the adjustable stool. Step 2. Select 3-second timer or 6-second timer, adjust stool, look at camera, pose, then repeat for 3 photos with number countdown. Suggestion: sit centered on the stool and remove glasses to avoid glare. Step 3. Choose a photo to retake or press Skip Retakes and select your favorite photo of the 3. You are able to edit one photo while using Iris. You'll have the option to edit all 3 photos within your Iris account, so you can skip this section if you'd like. Step 4. Check for an email from Iris Booth. Check your spam section if it does not appear within 5 to 10 minutes. Click the link provided in the received email, set up a password to view, edit, and download your pictures. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!